Hi guys, I'm Sylvia, owner of Skin by Brownlee Co, and today we're going to teach you how to use your products correctly to get the results you're wanting at home. If you're applying your mask for your evening routine, you want to cleanse your face first and then apply your mask. With your decongestant mask, you want to layer that on rather thickly, and you want to make sure that you leave it on no longer than 3 minutes so it doesn't dry out. With your Hydrate Me mask, it's very hydrating. You want to leave that on for 25 minutes and then you'll finish with the rest of your routine. So your first step when you're cleansing your skin is to make sure you start off with clean hands, and then you'll take about 2 to 3 pumps of your cleanser and rub that into your skin. You can add a little bit of water if you want a lather, and you'll do that for a full 60 seconds and then you'll rinse off with cool water. Your next step is to take your cryo ball and you're going to roll for 2 minutes, and that's going to help to reduce any inflammation in the skin. Followed by your toner. That would be either your Cucumber Refreshing Mist, your Hydrosal Tonic, or your Illuma Toner. You're going to give about 2 to 3 sprays and press that into your skin. Followed by your chosen serum. Always remember to only use 2 to 3 drops of your serum. Less is more. Rub that into your skin very gently and allow that to dry a few minutes before you layer your next serum. We'll follow up with a moisturizer. That might be your Hydra Balance or your Aloe Protect, about a dime to a nickel size. And you're going to rub that in very gently. Followed by your sunscreen, which you never leave home without. You're going to emulsify that in your hands first and then rub that in all over. At night, you might use the pumice scrub, which is your exfoliator. You'll put a small amount of that, about a pea size, and rub that in very gently for about 60 seconds, and then you'll rinse that off. Some of you are using your blemish chaser for your acne med. That would be the 5 or the 10. You're going to make sure to avoid the corners of your mouth, your smile lines, and the eye area. And you only need dime size or less, depending on your face size. Now you've learned how to correctly use your products. Remember to always upload your pictures into the app. You can reach us at www.skinbybrownleeandco.com. If you have questions, shoot us an email at hello@skinbybrownleeandco.com.